watching today's video. Today's gonna be on how to paint the ceiling. If you feel like this video added value to you, if it helped you out, and if you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification, and yeah, let's get started. I want to apologize, we have a massive echo in here. The audio is a little crazy. I'm gonna try to start this in the best area where I have lighting, which is in the hallway. You see the window is facing that way. So what you want to do is you want to paint from left to right. You don't want to paint with the light coming this way. You don't want to paint that way. You want to paint this way, okay? Because when the light is shining through, and if you paint up and down, you're gonna see the streaks of the paint. But if you go against it, you know, left to right, right to left, you won't be able to see the streaks of paint as much. So you want to go against the way the sun is coming in. All right, from left to right, because the sun's coming in this way. So from left to right. I'm gonna start on painting the hallway, and like I said, we're gonna start this way. Hopefully I'm able to capture all this for you. I'm going to show you slowly, and then after that I'm just gonna speed it up and try to record as much as I can. Also, right now I want to show you all the materials that we're going to need for this painting the ceiling project. Here's the material that I'm going to be using. It's going to be this tray, 18-inch roller, because you know you really don't want a 9-inch. You can use a 9-inch, but you're going to be painting the ceiling. Your neck is going to get tired. It's just a lot better if you use something like this. And I got the pretty white Dove. It is the semi-gloss, and I got the semi-gloss because we are in the restroom. As you see, my shower is located in the middle of my room. This is the master bedroom. The windows are all the way over there. So technically, I guess you could say this, you want to protect this entire bedroom as if it were an entire bathroom. So that's why I'm gonna do the semi-gloss, because it prevents, you know, molds and things like that and bacteria that grows. And I got the paint that is specifically for that, and it says that, so let me show you. It provides a mold and mildew resistant finish. It is 100% acrylic latex, a lifetime warranty. Select something like that. This is going to be a one coat finish to make the job a little bit easier. Also, I'm going to use this, makes it easier instead of having to close the lid each time. Just pop it open, pour your paint out, and then close it to protect it so that it doesn't get dried out. The last thing that we're going to use, a pretty professional painting tool. The instructions are on there. You're going to want to get this, okay? Go around. I'm going to replace the floor, so I really don't care about getting paint on it or getting it dirty. And you want to put the stick in there and just mix. Now that your paint is all smooth, you want to make sure that there's no clumps. I mixed it for about 5 minutes. Ready to pour it. I want to confess, I did go to the store to buy one of these because the one that I had bought in, that really plastic one, it didn't fit the roller, and this one does. So just make sure when you buy the roller and you're buying the tray, just make sure that it fits it, because I didn't do a very good job at making sure that it fit. Lesson learned. I'm gonna figure out how to put this thing on it. Directions are right there. Put it on, I guess. I don't think it fits. I got it on, I think. Okay, say a prayer for me when I pour it. This thing better not fall off, swear. This paint says that it covers 400 square feet. I'm covering 300. So I only needed one of these. It's 1 gallon. I'm gonna push it in like that, and then we make sure that it spins. Just put it in there, and yeah, get this first coat going. Okay, so before we start painting, nasty stuff off the ceiling. Oh my god, there's a big old spider. Anyways, you don't want to paint spiders on your wall or spider webs. Give it a quick sweep everywhere, okay? You're gonna want to get one of these brushes. You want to go around the edges. You want to do it at the same time that the paint is wet so that you don't have any major imperfection. But paint can blend smoothly together. I finished painting right here in this area. That completes the entire hallway. I'm gonna do the restroom. The camera keeps falling while I'm trying to paint the ceiling, so I'm sorry. I need a camera person. To do the hallway, I used the counter. Oh my god, you see what I mean? And I used this thing to hold the camera in place. To get the edging up there, I put the ladder in between the toilet like that. Hey guys, I am all done with the restroom. See it? We are all done. Okay. And the hallway ceiling is already dry and looking really, really good. So now we just gotta let the restroom dry, and now I'm going to start on the main master bedroom. Since I'm gonna be going this way, what I'm gonna do is, once I get to about the center of the room, that's when I'm gonna do the edging from there, there, and the middle there. And then once that side of the room is complete, then I'm going to continue painting, finish it, and then finish the edging from there, there, there to there, okay? 3 hours. All by yourself, you can definitely get this done. So 1 gallon of paint covered the entire master bedroom, from the hallway to the restroom to the master bedroom. And so yeah, that's how you paint a master bedroom under 3 hours like a pro. I'm not a professional, I'm totally kidding, but yeah, anybody could do this, okay? Anybody. Okay, so you made it through the whole video. Chances are you watched this because you're attempting to do a painting project. So if this video helped you and you completed your project, please let me know and show me. I want to see, and I know it was pretty long, so sorry.